नमस्कार दोस्तों, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं संदीप दास गुप्ता फिर आपके समक्ष हाजिर हूँ शरतचंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय जी के शॉर्ट स्टोरी मेजदा लेके। जो छोटा कहानी है, मैं जहाँ तक नरेट किया था वो मेजदा टिकट ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे। ही वॉज इंस्पेक्टिंग द टिकट with which Jatinda went out, and while Jatinda came back, that time Mezda was scrutinizing whether he has taken much time or not, or whether he has come in time or not. So Mezda जब वो चेक कर रहे थे, तब अचानक जो लेखक थे वो उनका जो बॉडी था वो दरवाजे की तरफ पीछे बॉडी करके वो बैठे थे, तो उनको पीछे से हुम करके एक आवाज मिला। He just heard a sound, hum, like this. So, with that sound, suddenly he has seen that Mezda who was sitting in front of him, Mezda जो उनके सामने बैठे थे, वो अचानक अपने पैर फैला दिए। और पैर फैलाए तो फैले कहाँ? जहाँ वो रेडी का सेज जला के, दिया जला के, लैम्प जला के ऊपर रहे थे। तो Mezda has thrown his legs on that lamp and the lamp went down, it got off. वो लैंप तुरंत गिर गया और बुझ गया, वहाँ अंधेरा छा गया। इससे उस जगह में एक हंगामा मच गया। People started shouting, all the children they started shouting, what happened? What happened? Mezda was almost, he was unconscious. The writer was unable to predict what was happening. He was unable to make out what was happening, why Mezda did like this, and almost he was senseless. Then again some sound came from outside also. Their uncle who was sitting outside and Mr. Ram Kamal Bhattacharya who was sitting outside, बाहर बैठ के जो लोग अपने फूफा जी और राम कमल भट्टाचार्य गॉसिप कर रहे थे, they were spending their time, they were smoking, so they also started shouting, what happened, what happened, what happened. Then some people came and put the lamp there again. Okay, वहाँ लाइट जलाने के बाद दिखाई दे रहा मेजदा उलट के पड़े हुए हैं और उनके मुंह से अजीब सा आवाज निकल रहा था। He was making sound from his mouth that he has seen something very dangerous. Then suddenly people sprinkle water. उन्होंने उनके मेजदा के मुंह में पानी के छींटे दिए। मेजदा अपने उस अवस्था से, अचैतन्य अवस्था से बाहर आए। He lost his unconsciousness, he became conscious, and then people started asking, what happened, why you did like this. Then he started telling, there was something like tiger. हाँ, वो मेजदा बोले वहाँ पे बाघ जैसा कोई था जिसको देख के उनका यह हाल हो गया। इसी समय वृद्ध रामकमल भट्टाचार्य जो उनके फूफा जी के दोस्त थे, वो बाहर बैठ के जो हुक्का पी रहे थे वो भी गायब हो गए। He was just vanished from there, and Fufaji was searching for him. He started searching. In the meantime, the ladies used to stay on the upstairs. So they came down. उनके घर के महिलाएं वो ऊपर के मंजिल में रहते थे, तो उनमें से कोई नीचे उतर आए। ये कहानी, इतना हंगामा किस बात का है, ये देखने के लिए। और दोस्तों एक चीज़ और है, इन लोगों के जो घर था वो जमींदार फैमिली का घर था। इनके फूफा जी जमींदार थे, तो इनके बंगलो टाइप घर था। दे यूज्ड टू स्टे इन अ बंगलो टाइप हाउस, एंड उस बंगलो के बाहर बागान के एकदम सामने जहाँ मेन गेट असली फटक हुआ करता था, वहाँ दारवान लोगों का, मीन्स गेट कीपर्स के रहने का एक घर बना हुआ रहता था, उसको देवड़ी बोला जाता था। So all the gatekeepers used to stay there, and those gatekeepers, they were maximum coming from Bihar. Okay, as they were all means stout fellows and with healthy means figure, they used to be there. So they used to come from, or pahlawans type, means they used to be like wrestler or fighter type. So they those type of security guards used to stay in that small room, security room, and they used to sing good songs in Bihari language. They used to sing some good songs, especially bhajan kirtan type, in the evening. So that day also they were all singing those songs. उस दिन भी उनके वहाँ से वो गाने सुनाई दे रहा था जो ये लोग तुलसीदासी रामायणी के सुर गा रहे थे. They were all singing Tulsidasi Ramayana. So by hearing this type of howling, shouting from the house, they also got scared and they came out from their guard room. जब वो गार्ड रूम से बाहर आए हैं तब वो देखे आंगन में से कोई दौड़ के भाग रहा था. सो दे कॉट दैट पर्सन. सो उन्होंने जब आंगन में अंधेरे में किसी को भागते हुए देखे तो उन्होंने उनको पकड़ लिए और एक साथ पिटाई शुरू कर दिए. एंड दे वन ऑफ देम इन्फॉर्म्ड फूफाजी दैट वी हैव कॉट अ थीफ हु वाज रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द गार्डन. सो फूफाजी ऑर्डर्ड, अपने फूफाजी ने आदेश दिए उस चोर को पकड़ के लाओ यहाँ. सो द सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स दे कॉट द थीफ but they have covered his face. That means nobody was able to see his face. Then Fufaji told, पीटो, उनको मारो, और बोलने लगे उसको पीट पीट के भरता बना दो, उसको यहाँ पकड़ के लाओ. So they were all beating. The security guards started beating that man, and that man was not able to come out of their hands, and like this condition was there. So much of horrible situation. And the ladies were observing from the balcony. Okay, ऊपर के महिलाएं balcony से झांक के ये सब कहानी देख रहे थे. तो balcony में इनके बुआ जी भी खड़ी थी, auntie of the writer. She was also standing there. So she started shouting that don't beat that person too much. You and your all security guards all are like palwans, and you are beating this innocent person. You don't know who is he and why he has come, why you are beating, why are you beating so much, don't beat. When then Fufaji ordered, Fufaji बोले उसको यहाँ पकड़ के लाओ, उसके कान पकड़ के लाओ इधर. So they have brought that man, and when they have brought in front of the light, जब उसको लाइट के सामने लाए, रोशनी के सामने लाए, तो देखा गया वो राम कमल भट्टाचार्य है, फूफाजी के दोस्त. वो अंधेरा होते ही वो भी कुछ देख के भागने लगे थे. तो जब इन्होंने पूछा, सभी ने पूछने लगा, जो अरे आप क्यों भाग रहे थे, तो आप क्यों अंधेरे में भाग रहे थे, जो ये लोग आपको चोर समझ करके पकड़ लिया. He also shouted, he also started shouting on the security guards. अरे मेरे को किलाई के कटहल पका दिया ये लोग. हाँ, तुम लोग इतना मारा, मेरे को इतना मारा, क्या जरूरत था मारने का, मैं तो कोई भालू देख के मैं दौड़ रहा था, वहाँ एक भालू था. So he started telling there was a bear. By seeing that bear, he was running. So now Mezda told there was a tiger. Now this man is telling there was a bear. Everybody got confused. सबको अजीब लगने लगा, था क्या था जिसको देख के ये लड़के लोग इतने टांग वांग उलट के, लैंप गिरा के हंगामा मचा दिया. उधर रामकमल भट्टाचार्य महाशय दौड़ने लगे, भाग के निकलने लगे, घर में अंधेरा छा गया. ये हुआ क्या था? जब सभी ऐसे कुछ बोल रहे थे, somebody has pointed out, किसी ने दिखाया, जो अरे वो दरवाजे के साइड में एक चांपा का पेड़ है. दोस्तों, चांपा is a small daisy type of flower, so it gives a very nice smell. So there was a tree, there was a flower plant near the gate, main gate. So somebody noticed, किसी ने वहाँ देखा, बोला उस पेड़ के पीछे कुछ छुपा हुआ है. इससे लोगों के अंदर डर और पैदा हो गया. People got scared some more and they started coming into the house. Nobody was ready to go that side. Everybody was trying to get inside the house. And at that time, auntie was telling from there that where is auntie has told uncle. She was telling uncle, where are your all brave soldiers? You had brave soldiers in your security team. Where are they? Tell them to take out that what animal is there or something. Tell them to make it out. They were not able to go. Those security guards also, they failed. They got scared. They were not ready to go that side. By the time when these things were going on in the house, that time one of the writer's friend, Indranath, he was one of his very good friend and very brave man, brave boy. He was passing through their house. वो उनके घर के सामने से जा रहे थे, तो उनके घर में हल्ला गुल्ला सुन के इंद्र उस गेट से अंदर आ गए. Indra started coming in. When Indra started coming in, the people started shouting, don't come Indra, there is something, there is a tiger. So जब इंद्र घुसने लगे सब चिल्लाने लगा, अरे बेटा मत घुस, वहाँ कोई शेर भालू छुपा हुआ है, तेरे को खा जाएगा, तुम मत घुसो. But Indra was a very brave boy. He told, from where the tiger will come, let me see. Give me a hurricane. Okay, hurricane used to be that time, they were not having electricity, so they used to keep hurricanes for evening purposes. So somebody gave him a hurricane. With that dim light of that hurricane, Indra took that hurricane and started going to that plant, that tree. Everybody was shouting, don't go alone, but nobody was assisting him. कोई भी इंद्र के साथ जाने के लिए तैयार नहीं था, मगर इंद्र को सभी डरा रहे थे, अरे बेटा मत जा वहाँ पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. So like this, जब इंद्र वहाँ पहुँचा, then he started telling that Pisima means Buaji. I think it is not a bear, it is a tiger, or it is not also a tiger, it's something else. Okay, दोस्तों, today I will cut here, I'll stop here. In my next video, I will conclude this story, and it will be a very humorous story. Listen, be with us, subscribe our channel, and let us carry on our friendship. Tata.